Hello students, as you all know, we have finished our science lesson number 7. When we have seen lesson number 5, 6, 7, we have studied many animals, their houses, their food. Okay. Now at the time of reading lesson number 7, I told you that I am going to show you one activity. So today we are going to do one activity, and first let us see what material we need for the activity. Okay, children, you will need one Bisleri bottle, which is used one. Then you will need one scissor, black marker pen, insulation tape, means the black tape which is used for the electrical work, or any tape which is black in color, adhesive tape. Then you will need thread. Now I have this, so I have used this. If you have cotton thread, or which we can say jute thread, म्हणजे सुतळी म्हणतात त्याला मराठीमध्ये, that too is okay. So children, let us see how are we going to get the thing. Children, this is known as bird feeder, means we are going to transform the bottle into such a thing in which birds will get the seeds to eat, grains to eat. You can see how I have hanged this feeder in my window. Second picture is actually a picture of a feeder which I have hanged in my window. So now let us see how we can do this. Now first you have to remove the paper which is there on the bottle, like this. And now take a marker and mark on the bottle. You need to draw 3 lines in this way. It will look like U, English alphabet U. Then draw a horizontal line, that is a sleeping line, in that U. Now it will look like an inverted alphabet A. We are going to cut on these lines as shown in the photo. Take a scissor and cut it as shown. Children, keep it in mind that your parents should cut the bottle and give it to you. Otherwise, it may harm you. Now, as you can see, we are cutting upper side of inverted A. We are cutting a square. Now, like this, we will open the upper flap as a roof for birds while eating the grains. So this flap will act as a roof for the birds. Now, mark on the bottle near the lid. With the marker, you have to make a mark near the lid on both the sides. For what? For making holes. We will use these holes to put a thread to hang the bottle. Now children, the edges of the cut part are sharp and they may harm the birds. So we will cover the sharp edges with a tape as shown in the photo. You can see I am covering all the edges one by one. In this way, we will cover all the sharp edges. Now, we are going to take a piece of a thread to hang the feeder. You can take it as long as required. As shown in the photo, insert the thread through the hole. Then pull it out from the inner side of the bottle. Now, as shown in the photograph, tie a knot to close its open end. This should be done at both the ends of the thread. Now, your feeder is ready. So, add grains from this window like this. See, I have shown in the photograph. Now you can hang your feeder. Children, if your parents are not available to help you, you can use another method and make your feeder on your own. Not like this, it will be different. See, this type of feeder you can make independently. For this, you just need a plate, a bowl or a container, glue and thread. You can use container of curd or Shrikhand too, whichever is available at your home. You can also use a coconut shell if you have no container. Okay. Now, for this, take 3 pieces of thread of same length. 3 pieces you have to take of same length. Tie the ends to make a knot as shown in the picture. Now these 3 thread pieces are tied together as a set, and you are going to place a container in that set. But before that, you need to paste a container as shown in the picture. Put this plate in the thread set and you can hang your feeder now. Now children, you can pour water in the container and keep grains in the plate. So you can use this for both. You can use this in your garden, in your farm, terrace, balcony, wherever you get the place. While making a feeder, avoid to use red color so that birds will not get scared. You will get a chance to observe some small birds while eating the grains and drinking the water. So children, enjoy this activity. We will meet in the next video. Till then, be safe. Goodbye.